Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to log out of Wealthsimple on your phone. I know that this might seem like a simple task, but I've actually received a few questions about it recently. So, I thought it would be helpful to create a video on it. Before we get started, I just want to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. How to log out of Wealthsimple on your phone. Open the Wealthsimple app on your phone. Tap on the menu button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on Settings. Tap on Log Out. Enter your password. Tap on Log Out. That's it. You're now logged out of Wealthsimple on your phone. If you're having trouble logging out of Wealthsimple, you can try deleting the app and reinstalling it. You can also contact Wealthsimple support for help. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.